Okay. So in the last class, we started classes and the up to order by we discuss and come to group by. Okay. And grouping operation. Okay. So it's one of the important class. Okay. No. And what we said in the last class here, how this group by we are using means whenever you want to divide similar data into groups. Okay. So they're compulsory. We should use what now group by. And when you do some aggregative operations, silence here, over na settings na. Okay, so when you want to do some aggregative functions, the aggregative operations on a group of data, okay, so there we can use what na group by. And I was given some example how it was work. And later, so we have some syntax here, the how the group by class I can use in my queries. Okay, now this is what it was. And later on, come back to your operations. So yesterday we checked out so how I know in my company how many female employees and male employees are there, yes or no. So that kind of operations when you want to perform here, so there must be required what no group by clauses. Okay, and yesterday one of a small example we discussed. Okay, 6 p.m. Sorry. So the might be 9 a.m. here, and set my page size. So what is the table we created yesterday? Students are okay. So this is your table information, and in this student we have your total. The 5 students are there, but out of 5 people, how many females and males we need to find out. Okay, right. So now for that purpose we are using what now group by. But here observe, when we want to use group by clause, okay, the few basic things we need to remember. What kind of the basic things are there here? Observe. For example, if I was used a star, and star means what now? All columns. Okay, so from the table is what now? Students. Okay, and now I'm using group by, and actually I need to perform my operation based on gender. Which column? Gender column. So I'm going to apply first, okay, group by on gender column. Okay, na? So we applied on gender. So, but here carefully observe. So your group by column is gender, but are you selected here all columns? So when you selected your all columns and group by is applied only one single column. Okay, that means here my selected columns are 2. Your grouping column is 1. So now this is not a matching. Okay, your selected columns and grouping columns are not matched. So when it was not matched and your group by operation will not be performed, it was showing some error. Understand na? Same as, okay, what do you want to do? For example, in this place star, suppose I'm taking your student name, I will take S name here and come back to your gender. And here what it was happened, your selected columns are 1. Okay, and grouping column is also 1. So the number of columns are matching here. But the point is what now? Your grouping is done on your gender column, but are you selected student name column? So as per my grouping column, this is not a group by expression. This is not a group by expression. Okay, then the same column should be selected. So here the last conclusion is what now? The group by clause on which column are you applied here? Okay, the same column should be selected in your query. If other than grouping column or grouping expression column, if you selected any other columns and it was not a support, understand na? So that's why what we want to do here, the compulsory we should go for, in place of s name. Okay, I want to give what it is here, gender only. Okay, so now okay, now so now here what it was happened, the select gender. Okay, and the point is I selected here, okay, gender column, and my group by column is also gender. So your selected column and grouping column both are same. So both are same and same number of columns only I selected here, 1 and 1. Okay, so when it was having like this here, then only the grouping is going to be performed. Okay, now group is performed, and here what it was did, just your data will be grouped. So in your gender, the which type of different types of data was there, those data will be separated here and making two groups, male and females. Okay, but here the point is I didn't get my result. My result is what now? How many number of male and female students I wanted. So number of students I want to find out, but still I'm not finding any calculation part, because of reason we didn't apply any calculations on this gender column. Okay, so but that reason I never get my number of people, how many people was there in the male and female. So now what's the point I said yesterday? Can you remember one point here in my statement I was given to you? When we use group by clause, we must use what now? Grouping function or aggregative function to get the final result. So whenever you want it to get final result, compulsory we should use what now? Aggregative function. And without this function, you can't get your final result. Okay, so then I will come out to go to apply your function, and which function is suitable out of the 5 functions as per your requirement: sum function, average, and max, min, and counter. So out of this 5, which is suitable as per your requirement, so that function should be used. So now I'm going to using my function. Okay, so I'm using what now? Count of star. So even though I can use count of star, because of reason in my table I don't have any nulls. So in my gender column, do you have any nulls here? No. So that's why what it was happen, you can use a star and same output will come to you. Otherwise you have some nulls in your columns, then the count will be different. So that's why what we want to do, in place of this star, okay, I want to use my column on which column I'm going to perform my operation, that is your gender. So even though we can go to write this, understand now? But suppose you can see, if on this gender, suppose if I was applied here the distinct keyword, if I apply on the gender, what it was happen, you can see it was showing 1 1. Why? Because yes, so your distinct keyword, what it will do, it will be avoiding your duplicate counts. Okay, so that means here in the male section it was counting only 1 time male, and female section it was counting only 1 time female, and the remaining things will be not count, because the distinct keyword, what we said, it was going to be used to avoid duplicate values. That's why it was showing how many males? 1. How many females? 1. But is it correct? No. So that's why don't use a distinct keyword. Okay, no? Now below right now. So this is your sample table I'm giving here. Okay, for the example. Okay, the table should be keep it, and below write your example query. So what is my query here? Write a query to find out, okay, number of, okay, number of male and female students. Number of male and female students. Okay, so then my syntax was if until unless do you have, that means you don't have a null, even though you can use a star also, nothing problem. If you don't have a nulls, you can use a star also. Okay, or so the two things you can use, either star or gender. And this is column of your gender column. One door open. Okay, right. In the same pattern, so how you can perform on the students, and same as now let me come out our default table in our database now. So we have here what now? EMP. So this is my EMP table, and these are total employees, 14 employees data we have here. Okay. You properly sit one. Sitla. Otherwise, here so many places are there. Why are you sitting there only? Huh? These many chairs are vacant to you. Properly sit. The projector this side, na? Properly sit. Okay. And I'm very serious, guys. Here, as of now, I didn't serious on your batch, but you are making like this. Okay. So I'm leaving all the people because coming and going, coming, going, but I didn't focus on this. A certain time I will give it. After that, different Sudhakar sir will come. Okay. If you behave like this, my behavior also change. Okay. In a class means there is some respect is there in the class. It's not your cinema theater, living, coming, leaving, coming. I observed so many days, but why I want to shout on you? You are the new batch people now. So I will give certain time to settle. In cinema theater, no one go outside. After flap movie, also sitting and watching. This is your career here, not cinema. Career. Once you respect your class, tomorrow you will also respect in the society. Understand? How much we are giving respect to the each and every object, God also giving that much respect to you to make a good life. Classroom is like a temple. 1.5 hours you are not properly sitting. In that 1.5 year, some guys are going outside, coming outside, going outside, coming inside. What you understand concept if you're living like this? 1.5 hours you properly not sitting in the chair, then how you're working 12 hours duty in real-time companies? Once upon a time, software engineer job is very happy job because they have a snacks, they have a drinks, everything providing by company. But nowadays, no company will provide. Understand? Na? Your money you need to expenditure. Once upon a time, cabs are free. Pick up and drop, free services. Nowadays, your transport allowances are cutting. Nowadays, companies are very strict. They're not even the 1 rupee money also, they don't want to spend on the employee. Salary, that's it. Other activities are removed. Almost all companies are removed. Okay. So 12 hours you want to sit in front of your system. You don't have a lunch time also in software engineering. Software engineers are when they will take lunch, they don't know. You understand? Na? When they want to eat, they don't know. That kind of life. That's why once you enter into software field, after 3 to 4 years, complete your body structure will be unbalanced. Okay, na? Dummy, your body structure will be spoiled because no time to time food, no time to time sleeping. Okay, na? So if you have a maintain good health, compulsory those also required, na? Time to time food is need, sleep is need, rest. You don't know when you sleep. You don't know when you eat. Okay, na? So that's why I'm telling that. Once upon a time, it's a very enjoying job. But nowadays, so many people thinking that enjoying, no enjoyness in software field. Nowadays, totally work. Employees are, they're going to make like a mental tensions are more and more nowadays. Pressures. because they don't want to leave even the 1 minute space also. 12 hours duty means 12 hours duty only. Sometimes the 12 hours will go for 14 hours. When your requirements are not fulfilled on the time, client is shouting. When client is shouting, your time also increase. Then 8 hours, you are not 1.5 hour, you are not properly sitting here. Then how you can do your jobs? The 12 hours duty, how you can do? Huh? So minimum few things are required for every human being. One is give respect and take respect. Respect to others, even though objects also important for you. If you're not respecting to objects, that object in any one day, it will be kill you. Understand now? In our life, each and every item we need a respect. We give to respect. I want to give a respect to air, fire, water. Yes or no? If you're not giving respect, in future you will not get. So that is what classroom means. Like think a temple. Okay, it's a one temple. Like it's your future you are establishing in this classroom. Your future is building in the classroom. Okay, that is what. See, jokes, chit chatting. These are all are 1.5 hour. You leave that. You just leave that one. After go to outside, you can do your enjoyness, whatever you want to do. You can do it. Nobody can object you. Okay, na? But in the classroom, you are coming what purpose? What purpose? Jobs purpose. Spending money. Huh? Now you are thinking your money will come your father and okay, so you are enjoying. In future, you will earn 1 rupee money on your food. You will understand that what is the value of money. Enjoy it. I'm saying that enjoy it. But when certain time. Now this is your class time. Class time, class. Total all should be closed. Phones also close it. Tell to your parents or your friends that don't call me into this 9 to 11 because 9 to 11 I'm in the classroom. Enough, na? They will also not disturb to you. I don't understand you people are is a business people. 24 hours phone talking. Even though the Mukesh Ambani also not talking, is a Karodpati. Even the CM also not talking, PM also not talking. Phones. You are very busy persons. Useless talking. It isn't useful for our career. Only time pass. And you are an independent person. You are not a family member. You have a responsibility. My wife is waiting. My children are waiting. Tomorrow, how to make it money for my children's. That is not there. Na? Anybody married? Then you are a free bird. So free bird means your brain how much independent. That means have a more space to understand the concept, to learning the concepts. You don't have any responsibilities. You don't have any pressures. Present, I'm telling. Because no marry, money will come to your father. Your father, mother, what they're doing, how much hard work they're doing, we don't know. We are enjoying here in Hyderabad city. On your money, first earn money on your foot and then enjoy your money. Then you will get a satisfaction. Yes, my money, I'm enjoying. But other money you are enjoying now. So that is not your greatness. When your greatness, after earning yourself on your foot, then you can do expenditure. But you know that human psychology, when a person is earning money now, he can't expenditure. Do you know? Now we are expenditure because of reason, the money value we don't know. And we are depending on parents. But once you can go to your job, for example, tomorrow you are getting a software job or something, you're earning salary, and that salary you can't expendage, you're saving, your mentality will change because of your thinking that this 25,000 rupees per person day and night, 30 days, either rain, either summer, whatever it is, okay, 30 days if I spend, I effort my all energy, then this 25,000 came, more. This is 25,000 is my money. I don't want to waste. Then that kind of mentality slowly in your brain will come to you. Later, even though now in this situation, you are spending your friends. Your friend is, "Arey yaar, chai pila do." Chai. Whatever you wanted, pocket here will come like this because this is not your money, na. Your father money, that is. That's why we are spending like this. Girlfriend's purpose, boy's friend purpose. But on your money, when you will get a money, na, yourself, then your friend is asking, "Arey pila do ek coffee." "Arey, I don't have money, re. Sorry, re." Because your money, that is. See how much partiality in human beings. Other money we are spending. Our father money we are spending. Mother money spending. But our money not spending. Why? Those also your blood only, na? Your father only, na? That money also your money, na? Then why you are not thinking like that? Okay. First, get a job. That is your target. Enjoy. Enjoy time. Enjoy. I didn't stop you. My mentality also like that. Work sincere. After work, you can enjoy. Nobody can stop you. Out of the class, you can do whatever you can do. No one can stop you. No one can ask you. If you do bad things, society will beat you. That is correct. Police is there. Cases are there. Everything is there. Some group of people come and beat you. If you do wrong things, yes or no? But right things, if you do, enjoy yourself without disturb to others. Okay, now, if you are enjoying yourself, no one can ask you. But how nowadays society also very danger, yes or no? If you talk one bad word in the society, what happened? सब लोग आके मारेंगे तेरे को, yes or no? So that's why very careful. That means very planned. Your career should be planned. What is what? Okay. 1.5 hours spend it here. After that, your time, you can do whatever you can do it. And class means class sincerity. Class means class only. In class, don't make it any activities. Phone callings, going outside, coming inside. Why this is all? You're disturbed, na? And you are not disturbed. Your purpose, the remaining people are disturbed. Okay, my starting classes, I left that. I didn't ask you anybody because of reason new batch. But certain time is over now. I'm also very serious in my class. At the time, I'm shouting also, and I'm standing in the classroom and asking questions also. So my mental, you are not full-fledged. See it. If anybody is shouting or standing in the classroom and asking some questions, otherwise I'm bringing on the stage. And I'm giving one topic to speech on English communication. This kind of activities I will do it. Okay. Make it. Don't. Class is not your cave, your cinema theater. Chit chat, laughing, enjoying. This is enjoying purpose. You are not came here. You want it to enjoy, you can go to outside. In Hyderabad city, so many caves are there. So many restaurants are there. Go and group of people sit there and talk to each other, enjoy. That's different. This is not enjoying room. This is study room. Learn. Have a doubt, come and ask me. That's good thing. And have any job, sir, I wanted job, sir. Can you give any reference? Yes. How many people are sincerely working on their subject? You come to me, I will give a reference in my company. But I am not seeing sincerity in your body structure. You want a job, come to me, meet me Sudhakar, I will give a reference. 3 to 4 companies reference I will give it. Your talent you can show and get a job. I am not asking any 1 rupee money also. Free of cost. Your talent, just I am giving reference. You just show your talent. Get on Java, I will give it. Python, I will give it. .NET, I will give it. Oracle, I will give it. These 4 opportunities. You have a good knowledge. You have a confident. Finish your course. Yes, sir, I'm ready to face interview. Come. I will show you some interviews. But I'm not supporting in that. Just I'm giving reference only. In your interview panel, you show your talent. On your talent, you will get your job. But finally, what I feel, yes, my student is get a job. That is satisfaction for my side. Okay, now my student is get a job. So that is happiness for me. That you wanted, you can come and ask me. Doubt, come and ask me doubts. Unnecessary things, don't talk. Have a subject-wise doubt. 24 hours daily, come daily, every day come. Sir, I have a doubt this, I have a doubt this, I have a doubt. Subject-wise, come and ask. Career-wise, come and ask. Jobs-wise, come and ask. That is because in Naresh IT, every faculties have some real-time background. They have some communications with so many companies. So make a good relations with the faculties and ask references. Okay, na? Get a job. Happy, na? And after you will get a job, you will not give 1 rupee money also. Because that is your salary. And you people have forgot it also. Once upon a time, Sudhakar sir gave an reference. No one can tell. What they will tell, myself, my foot, I got it. That is nowadays human psychology, egos. To tell somebody, yes or no? To telling about somebody, they didn't tell it because of reason, ego feelings. What ego here? Corona, 2 years. So many of our friends, families are loose. Over in our life, smartly. Why egos? Make a good relations with everyone. Happy in a life. Tomorrow what happened, we don't know. Anybody expected a corona? Came. Crores of people dead. Our neighbors dead. In front of our uncle, our children's. Small children's also dead. What happened? Life. Nothing is there in our life. Yes or no? How many years you are living, happily live with good person, you can make it like, and all those people you make a good relation, happily live like this, and you will also satisfy yourself. Why this much short period of time, egos, enemies? Why? Everyone equal. Understand, na? What happened, we don't know tomorrow. Corona affected, how many lives are spoiled, In Corona, there are 5,000 IT industry people jobs are gone because of Corona. The jobs are, okay, so many companies are removed. So many employees. In TCS only, there are 500 employees are removed by the reason of Corona in the last 2 years. Or who are very talented persons only, they kept their job. And so many people are, their jobs gone. They came outside, no jobs. They can't pay EMI also. That much struggles are happened in the last 2 years. So that's why tomorrow what happened, we don't know. That's why today you enjoy, do your hard work, do your works, over. Tomorrow what, we don't know. Enjoy also, do it. I'm not saying 24 hours reading. Certain time allocate for education. Certain time allocate for your personal things. Certain time you can go to enjoy your friends and family. Balance it. Mahesh Babu is good balanced hero, na? Family respect. After every movie, he will go to foreign along with his family and children's, enjoying their life, giving some support their children's. It's a good life, na, Mahesh Babu? Anybody doing in Telugu field, Telugu industry, any hero is there like that? No one except Mahesh Baba, because he was giving family values. Uh, yes or no? I think Telugu people knows that about Mahesh Babu. Yearly 3 times, 4 times he will enter to foreign to enjoying 10 to 15 days with their family and come and sincerely work. Again, when come here, then work started, then sincere. Then work is over, then enjoying. Yes or no? It's a good balanced life now. Enjoying now. Happily was enjoying their life. Okay? That was balance it like that. Your life is also enjoy and beautiful. Okay, no? So don't okay, disturb the class, and in between class don't leave. If you want to leave, any urgent was, come to me, sir, I have urgent call, sir, so I want to go. Otherwise, signal me, sir, I want to go. I will say okay. If any urgent is there, go, which is more than your career. If that kind of call is come to you, go. Or 1 hour idiot is calling. Idiot purpose, why are you wasting your time? He is staying in bike outside. Come here, enjoying. That fellow is waste fellow. You also waste fellow, na? उसका माँ बाप क्या बोलते हैं, उसका बाप एंड माँ थोड़ा पैसा है उसका पीछे, वो एंजॉय करेगा. आप एंजॉय करेंगे क्या? व्हाट इज योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड? think na, he was enjoying because that fellow background, their father is there, their father is earning some money coming from their grandfather, they're showing a heroism. Waste that kind of fellows. Your food, how much you earn, that is you will be become a hero. Saying my grandfather, my is a waste of things. As or no? Hard work. Your food, how much you earn, your food, how much you what we can say, earn assets, that you have to become a hero in society. Otherwise, you will call your father name, you call your grandfather name, no one can respect you. Understand or not? That is what you wanted. Then only your girlfriend also respect you. Otherwise, your girlfriend also not respect. If you are a waste fellow, you're not searching job, how the girlfriend believe on you? You're saying, my father is vaga. Come, we are enjoying. You're saying like that with your girlfriend, and your girlfriend will like, it will come like this. She also waste fellow. My opinion I'm telling. I'm not telling all opinion, because a girlfriend will give a good plan to their boyfriend, build their career. That kind of girlfriends are so many people I saw in my life. They're making good career, good planning to their boyfriends. And then both boyfriend getting job, both are married, happy life. Yes or no? So that kind of things are planned, and think positive, not negative. Okay? Everything will come to you if you think positive. And how much patience you have it now, that much blessings will come to you. If you don't have a patience, nothing will come to you. Even the girlfriend also leaving. This guy was waste fellow. The guy was not having a patience. So patience, how much patience you have it now, God will bless you that much facilities. Okay, right. Okay, guys, actually today, I think today one drive is there. I think all of you know this. For that reason, the Naresh IT people will stop the classes at 10 o'clock here. Okay, and I stop it my class now. And anybody applied a drive, okay, so they can attend drive, and good package. Okay, now how many people are got it messages and whatever it is, you can attend now. Okay, here in this building only, drive is conducting now. Now 10 o'clock is started. So how many people registered, how many people got a message, you can go to attend. Understand now? So your class will continue tomorrow. Okay, now online people, today the class is stopping, guys. So because today here the drive is going on, some companies are coming to here to hiring the people. So that's why your class is not there. Okay, and we'll be continue tomorrow. Okay, right, guys. Thank you.
SQL developer connect చేసుకొని SQL developer కి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాను కనెక్ట్ అవుట్ చేస్తాను డేటాబేస్ అప్డేట్ చేసుకోవాలి చేసి డేటాబేస్ కనెక్ట్ చేయి చేసిన తర్వాత మీకు దాని యూజర్ ఐడి ఏంటి సిస్టమ్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్ మీరు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారా లోకల్ హోస్ట్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది కదా లోకల్ హోస్టింగ్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది ఒకసారి ఓకే సార్ రేపు టైం ఉంటుంది రేపు తీసుకున్నాను మనం